Dozens of tiny, color-matched screws are inserted, each torqued to an exact specification. The pallet wrap has embedded filaments that make it harder to cut, adding a layer of security.
The signature orange journey begins not with silicon, but with a guarded chemical formula.
This is the birthplace of the color, a liquid state that will bond atomically with the aluminum.
The frame is the canvas, and here it receives its permanent, deep orange identity.
This electrochemical marriage ensures the orange hue is not a paint, but part of the metal itself.
The sealing process is what gives the finish its durable, ceramic-like feel and consistent tone.
Color consistency is paramount, where science ensures every single unit matches the designer's exact vision. Even the adhesive is tinted, ensuring no visible white lines disrupt the aesthetic when viewed from the side.
This is the first major marriage, where the glass meets its colorful chassis under immense robotic precision.
The attention to detail extends internally, with color-coded components for this special edition.
The heart of the device is seated, its performance already validated in earlier stages.
This firmware includes optimized color profiles for the display to complement the exterior finish.
Dozens of tiny, color-matched screws are inserted, each torqued to an exact specification.
Even the battery tab is themed, a detail only seen during the rare repair process. The camera bump becomes a cohesive orange island, not a contrasting element. The device is now sealed, its monochromatic orange shell complete and structurally rigid. The engraving is a final, permanent mark of authenticity, designed for legibility against the vibrant backdrop.
The software experience is tailored from the very first boot to celebrate the hardware.
The camera software is tuned to produce exceptional results when photographing warm, orange-toned environments.
The color anodized frame must withstand the same mechanical stresses as any other finish.
It is polished to a pristine state, ready for its final packaging.
This temporary film is also tinted, maintaining the full orange experience until the user peels it off.
The unboxing experience is a carefully choreographed sequence of color reveals.
The exterior box hints at the surprise within, maintaining Apple's clean aesthetic.
This label is the final step before it enters the global distribution network.
Logistics algorithms ensure high-demand markets receive their allocated units simultaneously. These pallets are prioritized in the shipping queue, moving with expedited care. The environment is controlled to protect the precise finish and internal electronics. From a guarded chemical bath to a global phenomenon, the Orange Edition is ready to meet its owner. The structural integrity of the ProMax starts here, with titanium that is both incredibly strong and surprisingly light.
These titanium rails are then CNC milled by diamond-cut tools into the precise band form, creating the iconic flat.
This creates the perfect substrate for the orange dye, allowing for deep, consistent color saturation. The electrical current opens the metal's pores, allowing the orange pigment to become a permanent part of the surface.
After anodizing, the bands are sealed in a scalding hot nickel acetate bath, which locks the color in and provides the...
This covert etching is a crucial step for authenticity and global market compliance. Tolerances are within 10 microns, the width of a human red blood cell. The displays are created in an environment free of contaminants that could cause dead pixels.
The completed display layers are laminated together with the new, stronger ceramic shield glass.
Even Face ID is fine-tuned for accuracy against the warm tones reflected by the phone's own body.
Each chip is a masterpiece of miniaturization, containing over 20 billion transistors.
This binning process ensures only the highest performing chips are selected for the ProMax.
This resin protects the silicon from physical shock and environmental damage.
This paste is the glue that will hold all surface-mounted components in place. This robot operates with an accuracy of 15 microns, placing parts smaller than a grain of sand.
The temperature profile is critical, as too much heat can damage the sensitive A19 Pro chip.
This AI has been trained on millions of board images to spot flaws human eyes would miss.
This verifies that every connection on the board has been made correctly.
This is the moment the board gains its wireless identity. Just-in-time logistics within the factory prevent bottlenecks and keep the line flowing smoothly. This adhesive must be applied without any gaps to achieve the IP68 water resistance rating. Misalignment here by even a fraction of a millimeter would be visible and unacceptable. This paste is a proprietary formula designed to transfer heat efficiently to the new, larger vapor chamber.
This chamber contains a liquid that vaporizes to spread heat across the entire phone's interior.
The cameras are the most tested subsystem, each unit calibrated for over an hour before installation.
Every cubic millimeter inside the chassis is optimized for components or battery. The MagSafe ring is perfectly centered to the millimeter, ensuring accessories snap on correctly every time.
A failed test here means the unit is completely disassembled, cleaned, and resealed. This test ensures the composite shell does not interfere with energy transfer.
The solid-state buttons must feel identical across every single unit produced.
This test generates significant heat, validating the cooling system under maximum load.
The telephoto camera is tested at multiple simulated distances to ensure clarity at both 5x and 10x zoom.
This precision is critical for augmented reality applications and portrait mode photos.
This sensor is not for diagnostics, but to enable new features related to user health and environmental awareness. The matte finish is scrutinized for any variation in texture or color shade.
The software load is the final step in personalizing this batch for the global market.
This bag prevents any micro scratches on the finish before it reaches the consumer.
The tray is both protective and sustainable, aligning with the company's environmental goals.
Even the stickers include the orange logo variant for this special edition.
This clear cover is also made from recycled plastic and is itself recyclable.
The magnetic seal is strong enough to survive shipping, but easy for a customer to open. The shrink wrap protects the premium box from scuffs and moisture during logistics.
The check weigher is a final safeguard against a packaging error.
This label determines the device's destination country and tracks it through the supply chain.
These cartons are designed to be the optimal size for manual handling in warehouses and retail backrooms.
The stacking pattern is calculated by software to prevent any collapse during transit. The pallet wrap has embedded filaments that make it harder to cut, adding a layer of security. The warehouse is humidity controlled to protect the products for what could be weeks of storage. The entire logistics chain is designed to minimize physical shocks to the products. The ULD protects the cargo from shifts in pressure and temperature during the flight. The position in the hold is calculated for optimal weight distribution and easy access at the destination.
This global network ensures launch day availability in dozens of countries simultaneously. Customs officials use the unique serial numbers logged during production for verification.
These centers are the hubs that feed individual Apple stores and retail partners.
Sophisticated sorting systems can handle thousands of cartons per hour with near-perfect accuracy.
The final leg of the journey is the most monitored, ensuring safe arrival.
Store employees are the first to see the product in its final retail context.
The journey concludes here, from a raw idea to a physical product awaiting its owner.
This structure is key to the finish's durability and rich color.
This is the moment a potential A19 Pro chip is liberated from the wafer.
This critical phase permanently marries the chip to its supporting circuitry.
This instantaneous curing is what allows for such rapid, precise assembly. This machine is the unsung hero of electronics manufacturing, placing billions of components flawlessly.
A passing grade here means the phone can survive splashes, spills, and even brief submersion.
This room is so quiet you can hear your own heartbeat, the perfect place to test audio purity.
This covert identification is a permanent part of the device's identity.
This is the culmination of the entire process, where precision and scale meet.
And in this moment, the long journey from concept to creation is complete, as the device finds its purpose.
This first interaction, the removal of the film, is a tactile ritual that marks the transition from a product to a personal device.
The heft and feel are the direct result of those machined titanium rails and the composite shell, engineered for premium in-hand sensation.
Even the cable is a designed accessory, its durability and color coordination intended to last the lifespan of the phone.
The software experience is now uniquely tied to the hardware, with visual themes that celebrate the edition's identity from the very first setup screen.
This biometric security system was calibrated using similar warm lighting, ensuring reliability in any environment. The camera's color science has been optimized to render the world beautifully, with a special fidelity for warm tones. Every antenna in this titanium frame was tuned to ensure maximum signal strength, a process critical for urban environments. Color consistency is a continuous process, with the chemical baths monitored and adjusted around the clock.
Sustainability extends to the production line, where nothing is simply wasted. Every material is recovered and reprocessed. The precision of the internal MagSafe array ensures this perfect alignment every time, enabling fast wireless charging and an ecosystem of accessories.
The commitment to a circular economy is active, with old products feeding the production of new ones.
The connection between user and factory never truly ends, with anonymized data helping to improve the experience for everyone.
The process is perpetual, with today's success fueling tomorrow's ideas in a relentless pursuit of advancement.
An entire accessory ecosystem thrives around these exact dimensions, a testament to the precision of the industrial design.
This interoperability is the result of years of cohesive engineering, creating a unified experience across multiple devices.
New sensors open new possibilities, transforming the phone from a communicator into a tool for interacting with the physical world.
The device transitions into an ambient, useful companion, its display technology efficient enough to run all night without impacting battery life.
The factory never sleeps. Maintenance and preparation are constant, ensuring the next shift starts with perfect, calibrated tools.
Two ends of the same story: creation and use, precision and personality, forever linked by a shared shade of orange.